Good afternoon. These are your BYU-Idaho radio evening headlines for Tuesday, August 18th, 2026. Thanks for listening. I'm Noah Allen. West Nile virus has been detected in an Idaho resident for the first time this year. According to the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare, the case involves a Canyon County resident over the age of 65 who was hospitalized with West Nile virus meningitis. The person is now recovering at home. West Nile virus is spread through the bite of an infected mosquito. In some cases, the virus can cause a serious condition called West Nile neuroinvasive disease, which can lead to meningitis, encephalitis, or paralysis. Health officials say people with weakened immune systems are at greater risk of severe illness. That includes people taking medications that suppress the immune system, including some treatments for cancer, autoimmune diseases, and organ transplants. Idaho State epidemiologist Dr. Christine Hahn says the first severe case of the season is a reminder for everyone to take steps to prevent mosquito bites. Those steps include wearing long, loose-fitting clothing and using DEET or another EPA-approved insect repellent. Health officials also recommend using screens on windows and doors or air conditioning when available. People should remove standing water from around their homes, including water in flower pots, buckets, toys, and kiddie pools. You should change the water weekly out of bird baths, kiddie pools, decorative ponds, and animal water tanks to reduce mosquito breeding areas. West Nile virus activity has been detected in mosquitoes in 7 Idaho counties this year. Symptoms can include fever, headache, body aches, nausea, sometimes swollen lymph glands, and a skin rash. Severe illness is more common in people age 50 and older, where symptoms could include hospitalization or even death. There is currently no licensed vaccine or medicine to prevent West Nile virus in people. Health officials say the best protection is to avoid mosquito bites, especially between dusk and dawn when the mosquitoes that spread West Nile virus are most active. If you develop symptoms that could be caused by West Nile virus, talk with your healthcare provider about testing. Grand Teton National Park will build a new multi-use path along the Moose Wilson Road. The park made the announcement yesterday. The Jackson Hole News and Guide reports the announcement is a change to the 2016 Moose Wilson Corridor Comprehensive Management Plan, which decided against having a multi-use path. It cited concerns about costs, wildlife, and the impacts to cultural resources. But in 2025, President Donald Trump made an executive order titled Making America Beautiful Again by improving our national parks. In the order, he told the Interior Secretary to review recreational access rules and to rescind any that unnecessarily restrict recreation in national parks. The pathway will be built to run alongside the 15-mile road. As part of the amendment, the Park Service will realign 1.8 miles of the road between Death Canyon Road and Sawmill Ponds to take it out of the wetlands. The park will start on some technical work this fall and design work in the winter. There is some new summer road work that you should know about if you're driving in and around Idaho Falls. Drivers should expect lane closures, restricted parking, and traffic delays as contractors begin a citywide chip seal project. The work began on Monday and is expected to continue in phases until sometime in September. But what is chip seal treatment? During chip seal treatment, drivers can expect crews to clean the roadway of loose gravel, apply a chip seal, remove excess chips, then apply a fog seal to the patch. A number of roads in and around Idaho Falls will be affected by this project. You can see what areas are currently being affected by going online to the Idaho Falls Public Works website at idahofallsidaho.gov, then navigating to Maps and finding the interactive construction map under the Construction tab. Alternatively, you can sign up to receive free alerts for upcoming roadwork and traffic impacts by texting ROADS IF to 38276. The city asks the community to be patient as crews work throughout Idaho Falls over the coming weeks. These have been your BYU-Idaho Radio evening headlines for August 18th, 2026. Thanks for tuning in. More news, interviews, and great content are available on our podcast feed. Search for BYU-Idaho Radio on your favorite podcast apps. We're on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, and more. You can also ask your smart speakers to play KBYI 94.3 FM. This is BYU-Idaho Radio, and I'm Noah Allen.